Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 2. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Let us divide. Question number 1. Question number 1 here is 5x square 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. It can be written as 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. If we take x as common, x, then we are getting 5x minus 6 divided by 3x. This x will cancel. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 3 into 5x minus 6. And that is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is 3 y to the power 8 minus 4 y to the power 6 plus 5 y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4. Now it can be written as 3 y to the power 8 minus 4 y to the power 6 plus 5 y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4. If we take common y to the power 4, y to the power 4, then we are getting 3 y to the power 4 minus 4 y to the power 2 plus 5 divided by y to the power 4. This will cancel. Therefore, we are getting the answer as 3 y to the power 4 minus 4 y to the power square plus 5. And that is the answer of question number 2. The answer is 3 y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is 8 x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4 x square y square z square. It can be written as 8, and if you take common a square y square z square, take common x square y square z square, then we are getting x plus y plus z divided by 4 x square y square z square. This will cancel. Right? 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Therefore, we are getting 2 into x plus y plus z. And that is the answer of question number 3. The answer is 2 into x plus y plus z. Now, we will solve question number 4. Now, here you see question number 4 is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. Therefore, it can be written as x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. If we take x as common, then we are getting x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by 2x. This x will cancel and we are getting 1 by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 3, and that is the answer. That is 1 by 2 into x cube plus 2x plus 3. That is the answer of question number 4. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 here is question number 5 is p cube e to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power cube divided by p cube q cube. It can be written as p to the power cube 6 to the power q to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power cube divided by p to the power cube q to the power cube. If we take common as p to the power cube q to the power cube, then we are getting q to the power 3 minus p to the power 3 divided by p cube q cube. This will cancel. Then we are getting the answer as q cube minus p cube. Answer as q cube minus p cube. That is the answer of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.